Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
And I'm
And
Christopher.
we're Grow For Me Gardening. Today, we're going to introduce you to a January gardening tip. Get out of town.
Yes. So here we are on the beautiful island of St. Lucia at the Diamond Botanical Gardens, and we didn't want to leave you out, so we're going to share with you some footage, some cool stuff that we saw.
Kind of take you on the trip with us. You know, this time of year, in zone 5B, 6A, when it's snowing and windy and cold, who could ask for better weather than this?
Absolutely, and yes, there's 8 inches of snow at home. So we're currently in the beautiful country of St. Lucia, which is an island in the Southeastern Caribbean. It's a volcanic island, so we just saw a mineral waterfall here at the Diamond Botanical Gardens.
Yes. I'm half watching the ground to make sure you don't trip.
I know, it's a little bit unstable here, but we're in this beautiful, rainforest. It has been raining on and off on us all day today, but apparently they get 160 inches of rain in this area, so that's a year. So yeah, I would assume it'd be damp.
Yeah.
We did see quite a few beautiful plants that we recognized. There was a white begonia that looked like a surefire white begonia.
And I found a coleus. And there were a lot of the houseplants that we see, but out here in their native natural habitat.
Yes, and I have a white bird of paradise at work. And now I get to see what they look like when they are flowering. In fact, this is what one would look like if it was flowering. I don't think it's going to flower in upstate New York in a window.
Yeah, the white version. White poinsettia.
All right, cool. Oh wait, look at this red cattail tree thing. That's really cool.
A red cattail tree thing, the official scientific name. I think this is the type of ginger right below it.
Yep, that's the ornamental ginger.
Yep.
I like
Look, there's a monstera climbing that tree.
Whoa.
That's cool.
All right, look at this cool starburst plant tree.
Oh, that is so pretty. It's really huge. I don't know if you can tell how big it is on screen, but
It's like, woo, bigger than my hand. But they're a tree.
so cool. Here's a closer look at that monstera. I think it's a monstera, right?
Yeah.
Climbing this tree.
Cocoa is the pods, the yellow pods, cocoa. Alright, and as we move on, guys, you're moving up with me. We have the dance here.
From what I understand, this is an exuma, which is related to the hydrangea. And we've seen it in pink, orange, white, and it's a broadleaf. I mean,
Look at this flower. Wait. A little dew on it, or rain. So beautiful. Eric, look at this collection of crotons. The little green round ones and the little pink one.
that pink is intense.
So vivid.
Beautiful. Well, right here, which initially I wasn't quite sure what it was, it kind of reminded me of a cleome, but apparently it's called cat's whiskers. So, you know, we're a big fan right
Look
away.
at this stuff. It's so cool. It's kind of purpley in person. We found something we know all about. I mean, kind of know all about. We've got a red coleus and a green coleus. Look at this one with the white. I feel like this would be really fun to have in the garden with the white variegation because it's kind of bright and chartreuse. But then look at this. It's like
Roughly coleus.
ruffly coleus.
Yeah, we found coleus.
And this, we found this ruffly coleus and this red ruffly coleus. But we're doing pretty good. Look, and then there's cactus here. I don't know how on earth that's doing well. We're in a rainforest. I didn't know cactus were supposed to live here.
So every trip that Christopher and I take, I always try to bring a little bit of that trip back home with us. Maybe not like directly from the trip and bring it home, but you know, something that inspires us for the garden. And I really think this year it's going to be bougainvillea is going probably somewhere on the terrace or around our pergola.
It's definitely not going to be hardy, but we are going to be growing it. It's so beautiful.
We're going to find it.
We will find it.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on our little winter escape down to St. Lucia. Again, I'm Eric.
And I'm Christopher.
And we're Grow For Me Gardening.
Thanks for growing with us. And here's just a little sneak peek at the rest of our trip. We have to be quiet because we're on the airplane.
Dancing in front of the bougainvillea.